Made a staccato interrupter based on this driver from Kaiser Power Electronics website, and it's very similar to the one that Steve Ward uses. Once I had everything wired right, scoped it, and it seemed to work fine. So what I saw was basically a 60 hertz square wave that would reach a maximum of 60 hertz depending on the pot setting. So here's the staccato by itself, and it's running off this little transformer here that I've got plugged into the wall. Half bridge is also plugged in via the Variac. I took a recommendation from SciTubeHD's channel. So he's got a really cool ramped PLL SSTC where he's basically just taking the output from the staccato and running it to the enable pins on the gate drivers. Since I don't have enable pins, instead of going to the enable pins, it's just going to one of the NAND gates. Alright, so got a little bit of light here. You know, while I haven't really tuned this, I probably do need to do some type of tuning to improve it. You could say the arc does become more desirable, and you know, it gets longer because of the tank cap. So if I try to cut the frequency up here of those breaks, feel the temp on this cap here. Let's see. It's getting pretty hot. Those little caps, they're getting pretty hot, and the heat sink on them FETs is getting a little warm, but not too bad. It's just a little warm. So yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's probably working them a little harder than need be. With this setting, it's a little different breakout. But yeah, it's something about that. It's just got a really appealing sound to the breakout. It's not really annoyingly loud like filtered interrupted. Again, just trying to toss this cap on there and run it like that is not good for these FETs. You know, I'm going to pop them that way running it too long. But the staccato kind of lets me do it for a while. Go to a certain setting and it starts to wonk out. but then at a certain point, I guess it just goes back to, I guess, full on time according to the ramp. Feedback, I feel like, is a big thing with this to get it to work the best. But yeah, you can see it was more or less syncing up, which is pretty cool. So hopefully this will stay recording. And yeah, let me try running it like this for a little bit.